The first passengers arriving from China underwent COVID tests at Paris's Charles de Gaulle airport on Sunday morning. France became the latest country to require passengers departing China have a negative test before boarding their flight, a requirement also supplemented by random tests on arrivals, as explained by Health Minister François Braun.
And of course, this test on arrival, it's not a control that would prevent citizens from entering our territory, but more of a scientific control, which will allow us to follow in an extremely precise way the different variants, essentially the Omicron variants that are currently in China.
Cases of COVID have soared in China since the government abruptly reversed its zero COVID policy in early December. Several countries have imposed measures on travellers from China because of fears Beijing is not releasing adequate data. France hopes there will soon be a coordinated European response on all travel from China.
We'll be having a discussion within the week to harmonise this model of management at the European level. As you know, the Spaniards and Italians have already taken these measures, so have the Americans. But in any case, France is going to push this method so that it's taken up in all the countries of the European Union.
The requirement is a further inconvenience for travellers from China, where mandatory testing has been an everyday reality for over a year. China still requires people entering the country to quarantine upon arrival, a measure Beijing will do away with from January 8th, when it reopens its borders for the first time in 3 years.